Nevaeh, it's Presley, and Fallon, and today we're going to show you AVERY COUTURE. So this Saturday, we went to AVERY COUTURE. If you don't know what that is, it's where they have certain dresses. We're at the casting call photo shoot. If you don't know what that is, I'm going to have a video link it down below. And we got pictures with those dresses, so that's what AVERY COUTURE is. But after we got the pictures, two people gave us bags, and so we're gonna open them. They're called swag bags. So we're gonna open our swags. They're full with stuff with all kinds of brands. They're full of all fun goodies. I love the earrings that are. Let's see. So let's go dig in. First, we're gonna do these boxes. We already know what's in here, but we're gonna show you. Watch this. It's earrings. These earrings are made from the Summer Field collection. So they're shiny and pretty, and they have some little cute jewels on them. They have little crystals, and they're so cute. This is the part that came in the box. This is the social media for all the Summer Field collection. Okay, so our next goodie we'll pull out. We can't show you these, but these are coupon codes for 15% off the next time we want to rent a dress. So next we have this little bottle. 1x50, and it's hairspray. And we have a big brand. This one is to put in our purse. This one is to put in our counter. And take this all to our cheer competition. Last thing. I'm going to do this more with y'all, but it's cute. They're little bags with stuff in them. But we're going to open the bag so y'all can see them. They're earrings. Lots of them. Okay, so we're gonna show you. We got some cute little brushes. Mine has flowers on the bottom. Mine has confetti. Yours has what on the bottom? On the background, mine on the background. It has some flowers, and it's so pretty. You can brush your hair with it, and it's so soft lip. And I have this polka dot brush on the outside, and the confetti goes with it. It says J&K Supply. It says J plus J and Play Kids Supply. So we're gonna open these next, and they're little cute earrings. And guys, I just wanted to tell you, we love earrings. At the end of the video, I'm gonna change my earrings, and we'll video her, but I might change mine. She's scared. This will be the first time changing my earrings since I got my first year's pairs. Oh my god! This is so fresh. So here's the back of it. This is the bag. Mine has a heart, and this is the front. Look at all these pretty earrings. Have diamond earrings, glittery earrings, more diamond earrings, dark pink earrings, golden earrings, light pink earrings, sparkly light pink earrings. There's sparkly dark shiny pink earrings, glittery turquoise earrings, basketball or soccer, and looks like little dots of orange. I'm so excited. I call them soccer. Okay. So dark shiny blue ones, and like galaxy ones. I'm gonna say neon ones because they look neon. Okay, so guys, I have light pink, light purple, dark green, dark blue, dark pink, in white, yellow, red, and orange. They're so pretty. I want these ones in my ears. It's not gonna hurt me. I'm gonna say what's different about me. Comment down below if you like this video. And guys, we had so much fun, but we love doing videos with y'all. But it's time that we have to go. But no, don't worry. We'll have a lot more videos. Hooray! So, bye guys! Can't wait to put these in my ears. And guys, whenever we're done putting our earrings in our ears, we'll come back on the video and show y'all. These are the ones I want. These ones right here. And I will choose. I want pink and purple. These two, the soccer ones. I like call them soccer. I want these. Okay, I got my pretty earrings in. So here's my earring.